Start by laying your legs flat on the ground with your torso upright and your hands on the ground for stability. Point your toes toward you, then push your knee down into the ground and hold it for 3 seconds. Then relax your knee. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions on each leg, alternating legs after each set. Once you're able to do 12 repetitions with ease, increase the amount of time you hold the contraction for to 5 seconds. Go up to 7 seconds for your next progression. The most common mistake, which is difficult to show, is pushing down with your entire leg rather than focusing specifically on your knee. You should only feel the squeeze in your front thigh muscles.